Our role here is to provide an ecosystem where the right party can meet with each other. Okay everyone, this is Benny from Hong Kong, the founder and CEO of Decoman. The obvious pain point we can see in the traditional renovation industry is that there's no way for the homeowners to find the right company, right material and right idea for their own flat, leading to huge wastage. Around 80% of homeowners have to rely on friend recommendation when they are looking for a company or material. Maybe it's safer than random pick, but far from optimized, and it creates huge time cost in the whole process. So, our role here is to provide an ecosystem where the right party can meet with each other. To illustrate, each party can gain added value with lower cost. We are gaining or earning profit by creating additional value to the ecosystem instead of getting money from our competitors' pocket. And this core value establishes our core company, culture, and value proposition. Our technology solves addressable industry pain points by making use of AI, big data, and blockchain technology. Also, we were selected as the winner of IP Hash 21, and 2 patents were granted by Panasonic, which definitely enhanced the depth of our technology. So let me talk more about how our technology to solve the industry pain point. Our matching system translated complicated and abstract lists from house owner into a set of parameters in order to match with the company tax set according to interview and track record via our inbuilt algorithm. And the algorithm itself is improved from time to time according to feedback and real-time statistics. And our GMV has just exited to $25.6 million in 2021, and while the average project size is $30,000. And we help the house owner to save around 15% of total cost in terms of time and money. And Decoman is now a leader in the Hong Kong renovation online market. And our direction for exponential growth is to localizing our successful model overseas. Not only our team had the capacity and track record for APAC expansion, but also we are backed by Cyberport 500 Global and Spark Lab and others family fund for our global expansion. 2022 is a bad time for startup due to economic downturn, but we are still making some major marks by localizing our model to 2 new countries. And we can see successful indicators in Taiwan market in the first year after landing, and we are confident to replicate it to Korean market. And here is the forecast and our plan for the Korean market, and we are confident to achieve positive operating cash flow in the first year. Decoman's growth is controlled, consistent, and verified. We grew our revenue in 4 times from 2018 to 2021 with a 55% CAGR. And we believe we can do it in a bad time, we can do it even better in a good time. And currently we are actively looking for investor, talents, and strategic partners to help us in our global expansion. To conclude, we are not chemists, but we make technology with renovation. We are not magicians, but we turn flat into home. This is Benny and we are HK Decoman. Thank you.